Hi, I'm Sean Raval. Aking iniidolo is my dad, Jeric Raval, the bad boy action star of the 90s. And bakit? And gusto ko talaga yung mga scenes niya, yung galawan niya, matigas, astig. And I just wanna be like my father if given a chance na maging bad boy or action star. Nakakatuwa namang marinig na may nagsasabi na ikaw na ba ang bad boy ng Philippines? And yes, I'm really grateful to hear that. And tell me why. Gusto ko lang talaga. Pero syempre, hindi yung bad na bad Just for the entertainment industry.